Hi, I'm Bhavna Monga and you're watching me on Femina.in. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Femina.
The first outfit is perfect for a beach day. I'm wearing my red bikini top under a basic white shirt. I've tied this shirt into a knot in a way where it looks like an off-shoulder top. Now, I'm adding shell hoop earrings to match the vibe. I've paired this with white denims and with white chunky shoes. I complete this look with a white jute bag and sunglasses. This next look is so chic and perfect for a day exploring a new city. I'm wearing a black spaghetti crop top with this cute animal printed skirt. Then, I've layered it with a black blazer. To complete this look, I've added a chic black shoulder bag, a pair of black boots, and some gold jewelry. You're ready to take over any city with this chic look. For this next look, I'm wearing this beautiful pink floral organza sari, but I've switched out the traditional top for a pink bralette. I'm keeping the accessorizing minimal for this look and only wearing silver earrings with it. This look is so versatile you can wear it anywhere and all eyes would be on you. Not to mention your pictures will turn out so pretty. Escaping the summers for the snow-capped mountains? Well, here's some outfit inspirations. I'm simply wearing a black co-ord set that has a faux turtleneck. Then, I pair it up with this long faux fur coat. I'm also adding a black sling bag to this look. To accessorize the look even more, add a beanie and some cool shades. This look is so elegant, you just can't go wrong with it. For the last look, I've put together a look that looks great from 9 AM to 9 PM for those days that you want to keep exploring a new place and not stop. I have worn a black sports bra and layered it with a white as well as a black jacket. Then, I've added a fanny pack to give it that trendy element. I've paired this with my favorite biker shorts and sports shoes. Complete the look with a cool pair of glasses and a gold necklace. This look is super versatile and comfortable. And that's it. Which look did you love? Tell us in the comments below.